Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious and aromatic matar pulao. Simple yet flavorful rice dish, perfect for lunch or dinner. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 4 cups of rice and soak them in water for about 20 minutes. This helps the rice cook evenly and give it a fluffy texture. Now heat half cup of oil in a pan. Once it hot, add 2 sliced onion and cook until they turn golden brown. Once the onion are done, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute until fragrant. Now add 3 chopped tomatoes and cook them until they soften. Then add the whole spices mentioned in the video and give it a good mix. Let's add the spices: half tablespoon of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything well to release the flavors. Pour in half cup of water and cook while stirring until the masala thickens. Then add 3 cup of green peas and mix well. Let this cook for about 5 minutes. Now add 8.5 cup of water and give it a good mix. Add 4 green chillies. Cover and cook until the peas are done. Once the peas are cooked, add soaked rice. Mix everything well. Cover and cook it until the water reduces to half. Uncover the pan. Mix it well. Now cover the pan and let it cook on low flame for about 6 to 7 minutes. And there you have it, fluffy and perfect cooked matar pulao. Let's quickly prepare a raita. Take 2 cups of yogurt, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of green chutney. Whisk everything well. Now add 1 chopped cucumber, half cup of shredded lettuce and 1 sliced onion. Mix everything well and your raita is ready. Plate up this flavorful matar pulao, pair it with the refreshing raita and enjoy this comforting meal. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumb up, share it with your friends and family and leave a comment below letting me know how it turned out.